How to use ZipPay at Walmart. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to use your ZipPay at your Walmart account. So first of all, just simply go to the Walmart's official website, or you can also follow the same steps in the Walmart's application in your mobile device. And after that, just simply log into your account using your credentials. And once you are logged in into your account, just simply explore the app, and after that just select the product that you would want to buy. So just select that particular product that you would want to buy, on which you can also use ZipPay. And once you find that product, just simply put that product into your cart, and after that just simply go to the cart section from the top right hand side of the screen. And after that just check everything whether it is fine or not. And once you are satisfied with the product that you have put it into your cart, just simply click on continue to checkout. And on the next page you just simply have to fill in your shipping details, and after that you have to mention your payment method option. And on the payment method option, just simply select MobiKwik ZipPay payment option, and after that just simply make the payment using your ZipPay. And that's how you will be able to use ZipPay at your Walmart. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.